Raisin cane is here. So, hi, how are you? So we want to do an order in Raisin cane. So this is the menu, everyone.
I want the drinks.
Hello. So Ansa, which one do you want? Tell me. Three strip combo is good. Okay, yes.
3-finger combo, sir.
Yeah, three finger combo.
How about your drinks, sir? We have fresh lemonade, freshly brewed tea.
No, I think for him it's Coke, less ice.
Okay, anything else, sir?
No, that's it. Can you tell me which type of chicken are you guys using?
We have a chicken tenderloin, sir. This one is marinated. It's like this with beef.
Okay. At what temperature are you cooking the chicken?
350.
Okay, thank you. 350 Fahrenheit, yeah?
Yes.
Fahrenheit. Okay. So guys, this three finger combo is 39 dirhams. Sorry, 35 or 39? 35 dirhams. So that's what we have ordered. But their chicken is quite nice, and the bread is the special thing here, which we really like. Which sauce is the one which you are using? Like the sauce which comes with that?
The king sauce, sir. Our signature sauce.
Which one? Sorry?
King sauce.
King sauce.
Yes.
Okay, amazing. Do you want extra bread also?
Yes, sir. Your buzzer will like it.
Thank you.
Ramen is ready.
All right.
For your drinks, sir.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. So yeah, order done. Answer. We have got the buzzer. Let's wait for the buzzer to ring, and we have a seat. The Answer's food is also ready. The buzzer is ringing, so it's quite fast actually, to be honest. So let's go and grab the raisin cane as well. Then we eat both of them and give you an honest review of that.
Hi, welcome to Kings. Hi, sir. Thank you for waiting. Enjoy hot and
you.
fresh. Would you want ketchup?
Yes. So here's the food for raisin canes. We already took the drink, so Mr. Ansar is carrying the food. So now let's have a seat and do a review. So this is the packaging of the raisin canes. Let's see how it looks from inside. So this is the fries, this bread, toasted bread. This is one of the favorite for Ansar and actually for all of us. And since it is three strip is combo, so these three strips, and don't go by the size of these strips. They look small, but they are quite good, and three strips are quite okay for a person to have a dinner. So don't go by the size of these strips. They are quite fulfilling actually. Why do you like the bread, Ansar?
It's firstly, it's super good. It tastes amazing. Secondly, it's pretty soft. You know, you could pretty much squish it. It's nice. You know?
Nice. Okay.
And what about
All right.
the strips?
Strips are also good. Very well.
Why do you normally like them?
They're seasoned well. Taste amazing.
Okay, so let's try and then we will give you a review. Right, so this is the tender. It's not like super crispy from the top, but I think it's not supposed to be, because from inside it's wow juicy. You see this, amazingly juicy from inside. Okay. And as I said, it's very fulfilling. It's high quality chicken, cooked to perfection. From inside, no blood, nothing. Everything is steaming hot. Properly cooked chicken.
Cream sauce. Cream sauce chicken.
So this is the cane sauce. Okay, let's try with the fries. So the thing about this sauce is, it's not spicy and it's not very sweet. It's a balance of all the flavors. You can feel a little bit of a spiciness also, but it's not overpowering. And especially if Ansar can eat it, who really doesn't eat spicy food, this is a perfect sauce for every kid. And it's a perfect complement for these chicken tenders and the fries. Right guys, so we finished the food. So what is your opinion on raisin canes?
On raisin canes, it's very good. The chicken is well seasoned and everything. The fries,
Well seasoned, okay.
Yeah, fries were good. They were a little salty today, but still good. Bread is obviously amazing. So yeah.
So
And
the
sauce.
top thing out of the whole meal for you? Which was it? The chicken? Was it the fries or the bread?
It's both the chicken and the chicken and the bread.
Chicken and the bread. Okay.
And-
How many numbers will you give out of 10?
A 9 out of 10. 9.5 out of 10. 9.5.
Amazing, amazing. Yeah, no, honestly, honestly, this the chicken of Raisin Cane is that good. I don't disagree with his rating. Although maybe little lower than 9.5.
Maybe a 9.
But yes, very good. Overall, it's a value for money as far as I am concerned, and it's little different than other crispy chickens. Yeah. Okay, so thank you guys. That's it for today's food review. Please, before the last message, special message from Ansar. Yes.
So this area as well, this food court in Millennium Mall, is good for adults and kids because some kids might want to play before they eat.
Yeah. So you have this
This pop
pop and play. Let me zoom again.
and play.
Yeah,
It's kind of like a little play area.
Pop and play.
Over there, big toys.
Where?
Over there. There's
Big toys are there as well. Okay, right.
It's
Good.
good for kids who want to play before they eat because sometimes the order takes a while.
Right. It's good for kids who want to play. Yeah. Okay. So everyone, thank you. Please subscribe to the channel and share the videos. And as I said, we will continue doing the food reviews as well. So